Hello guys, welcome to Smart Hustle, the YouTube channel. In this channel, I do teach how to make money online. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn money by just watching ads, by just watching adverts. How to earn real money by watching adverts. This website is legit. I've done my research about the website and it seems to be paying. So you head over to your browser and the name of the website is ojo.com. Head back to your browser, type ojo.com, and search ojo.com. This is what the website is all about. Advertisers pay them to advertise their product on this website. As you can see, these are adverts, these are ads. Advertisers do pay them to advertise on the website. So what they do is they hire people to click on this website and pay them. So how to earn from the website is you click on these three buttons, these three lines are here, then you click on profits. Hope you guys can see it, profit. This is where we're going to be signing up. Earn money by viewing advertisements. Earn money by viewing advertisements. Watch ad and you pay for viewing advert offered by a person. You click on sign up. You put in your username, your password. You confirm password. You put in your email address. Then fill in the capture code. Then where it says referral, see Smart Hustler here. You just leave it, Smart Hustler. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video. It's going to be the first link. If you did not see Smart Hustler, if you did not see Smart Hustler, then you write Smart Hustler. There's no T in the Smart Hustler, please. There's no T in it. HUSLAR. That's Hustler. Smart Hustler. This is where you spell it. This is where I spelled it. Smart Hustler. That's my referral link. That's my referral code for you guys that want to register under me. And if you use referral code, you're going to be getting paid higher. Like an advert that they are paying 0.2 cents is going to increase by 0.3, something like that. It's not going to be on the normal sale because they know you came from somewhere that is working with them. That's it. Then click on register, but first you have to accept their terms and conditions. You accept by clicking yes, then register. I already have an account, so their website do not allow people creating more than one account. Any attempt to create multiple accounts, creating an account from different IP address, for example, will result in a permanent suspension. They're going to block your account ASAP. You're not going to waste time. So let's go to my dashboard. But before we go to my dashboard, they are going to send you an email to confirm, to verify your email address. They're going to send you an email just like this. This is how the email looks like. These are the email looks like. Here's my these are the email looks like. Then you click on verify accounts. Now they send you the email. I verify this account before. If I verify it now, they will say this account has already been verified. So as you can see, this email address is already verified. Let's go into my account. Let's go into my account. Once you register, this is how it's going to look like. Everything is 000. So there are different ways in earning in this website. You can earn by referring your friends. And I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give you guys a bonus tip at the end of this video on how to refer, how to get more referrals. There's also a game they play here, puzzle. You can go and play the game, check what it's all about. I haven't checked it. So how to view adverts and get paid. As you can see here, what you see here is 0.004 credit. So one credit equals to $1. So you click to view adverts, you click on pay to click ads. I view all this one, that's why this eye icon is on it. This eye icon is on it. I view it. So let's go to this one. Let me view that website. Let me view this ad. You view the ad, you just scroll up, scroll down. See the countdown is already gone to from 5 to 0. See, your click have been validated. You've earned 0.001 for seeing this ads. So let me click another one so you guys see what I'm talking about. So you see it's moving from 5 each every 5 seconds, guys. You earn every 5 seconds. You earn every 5 seconds. So you can see your click have been validated. You've earned 0.001. Let me click another advert for you guys to see this, and let me share the bonus tip. So as you can see, it is in 5. It will go down. It's already counting. Not reload. It's already counting down to 0. See, you've earned this so cancel. The last one now I do now, so you guys will know, so you guys will understand. Hope you guys understand what I'm doing. So it's the phone count down. So that's it. That's that end. So I'll say you guys should click all the whole advert that are here. Click all of them. Click all of them so that as you can see it has increased. It has increased to 0.008. How to get people signing up through a referral link is that simple. What you have to do is copy your referral link. This is where to get a referral link. You come to here is your dashboard, but is they wrote it as your username. So you click on your username to come back to your dashboard. So when you come to your dashboard, you click on referral tools. Referral tools. This is the link you're going to be sharing. This first link. This is what you're going to be sharing with your friends. So let me show you guys how to refer. The first one is Facebook. First one is Facebook. You come over to Facebook. You come over to Facebook. You search on make 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 money online. These are going to be searching for make money online. Then once you search them, you go to the groups. Make money online. See, I'm already in this group. You just join all these groups. Join all these groups. Join, join. Once you go to the group, I'm not going to post your link here. That's not your. If you post your link, you just post to write blah 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 blah. Nobody's going to be clicking on your link. They're going to feel this is a scam. Nobody's going to be clicking on your link. Let me show you the way you guys are going to do it so that people are going to click on your link. And don't go to the comment section and be posting your link up and down, be spamming your link everywhere. People is not going to click. You come here, you go to members, you go to members, see all members. So you go to new to the group, new to the group. These are the people that are going to be messaging, going direct into their DM. Here's what you're going to do. You say, hey, let me show you guys. Don't just come here and just paste your link. The person will not click on it. You start like introducing yourself. Hi, I'm Stanley.